Good morning, kids! Welcome to another day of our class. It's me, Teacher Frell, your teacher in kindergarten. What letter shall we learn today? Our letter sound for today is the letter S. S is for snail. Letter S. Big letter S and small letter S. We say S reads S, 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 snail. We say S reads S, 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 snail. S is for snail. Snail are invertebrates, which means they do not have a backbone. These animals move around on a single muscly foot and carry their home shell on their backs. They retreat inside their shells at the first sign of danger. Snails are found on land and in the sea. The seashells found on beaches across the world are mostly the empty shells of sea snails. Some types of snail that live in water have gills to help them breathe, while others have lungs and have to come to the surface to breathe. Because land snails need to stay moist in order to survive. They are usually most active at night or when it is cloudy or rainy. Snail can reach from 0.04 inch to 12 inches in length and from few ounces to 2 pounds of weight. Giant African land snail is the largest snail on the planet. Snail can be brightly yellow, orange, or red, or inconspicuously colored white, gray, or brown, depending on the habitat. Body consists of strong, muscular foot and coiled shell. Snail uses the shell as shelter. It quickly retreats into the shell in the case of danger. Snail has 2 pairs of tentacles on its head. Eyes are located on top of the long tentacles. Short tentacles are equipped with sense of smell. Snail uses sense of smell to find food. Snails don't have teeth. They have organ called radula that consists of 1,000 miniature tooth-like projections that are used for grinding of food. Snails are the slowest animals on the planet. They move at the speed of 0.5 inches per second. Snails contain both male and female reproductive organs, animals known as hermaphrodites, but they require partner for the successful reproduction. They exchange packages of sperm and lay up to 100 eggs. Snails lay eggs in the ground. Eggs hatch after 2 to 3 weeks under optimal weather conditions. Snails can reproduce and lay eggs each month. Snails can survive from 3 to 7 years in the wild and up to 25 years in the captivity. Now you know about the snail. Those are amazing facts about the snail. Here are some pictures that begin with letter S. S is for sun. S is for soap. S is for sandwich. S is for sunflower. S is for 7. S is for spider. S reads S, 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 sun. Kids, it's your turn. S reads S, 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 soap. Kids, it's your turn. S reads S, S, S. Sandwich. Kids, it's your turn. S reads S, S, S. Sunflower. Kids, it's your turn. S reads S, S, S. 7. Kids, it's your turn. S reads S, S, S. Spider. Kids, it's your turn. Learn to write the letter S. Let's learn about how to write the letter S. To write the letter S, make a snake-like curved line. Big letter S and small letter S are almost the same. Let's practice again. Big letter S and small letter S. Can you write the letter S on the air? Follow this. Big letter S and small letter S. Again, big letter S and small letter S. Remember kids, the pictures that start with the letter S are S is for sun. S is for soap. S is for sandwich. S is for sunflower. S is for 7. S is for spider. S is for snail. We say S reads S, S, S. Snail. S reads S, S, S. Snail. Kids, what have we learned today? Correct, it's letter S. S is for snail. Kids, I hope you learned a lot from our lesson. Wait for the next letter sound. Bye-bye, kids!